Hi you guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to do a keto snack to show you guys. These are really great to have on hand, to have it for a snack during the day. So it is going to be some protein balls. I'm going to use some pureed pumpkin. I have this great almond butter. It's smooth, it's perfect for these protein balls. Coconut flour, pumpkin pie spice. This is great, especially right now during the fall. Everything pumpkin is just delicious. And then I have this liquid Splenda. It's 0 calories, keto friendly. So like I said, these are going to be a keto protein ball, low carb. They're vegan as well. And I'll put the recipe in the description box. So click subscribe also to my channel if you want more recipes that I'll be making, and click the bell button so that you get notified when I upload a new video. So I'm going to make these protein balls, have them ready for the week for our snack.
All right, so I'm going to use my favorite almond butter. It's super smooth and it is great for these protein balls. So I have half of a cup of almond butter, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. I'm going to mix this together a little bit before I put in the rest of my ingredients. So I have 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. I have 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and this makes these super yummy. And I have the liquid Splenda. I'm just going to use 1 squirt. And I'm going to mix this all together, make sure all the ingredients are mixed all the way through, and then it'll be ready to form our protein balls. Okay, so I'm going to form them into little balls. I'm going to roll them and then make them into nice, smooth little balls. And then once I do, I'm going to chill these in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours to let them set up. And then they'll be ready to go, and I can store them in the refrigerator in an airtight container for the week.
Alright, so the protein balls have been cooling in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. So now they are ready to go. I'm going to store them in the refrigerator for the week, and we have snacks now that are super healthy and ready to go. So check the description box for the recipe for this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my other weekly breakfast, lunch, and snack videos. Hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Let's give one of these a try. So good.